Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Pump channel. In this video guys, we will make a small explanation about the Web3 token. So basically guys, I will show you what is the Web3 token, the project of this token, and a lot of informations you need to know about this token. So like you see guys, the token today ranked at 3,145 with a price of 0.43, a market cap of $4.3 million, and the volume of $500,000. The all-time low is 0.41 just 30 minutes ago, and the all-time high is 0.46 1 hour ago. And the token guys available only on PancakeSwap. Like you see guys, the Web3 token in the last 24 hours up 3%, the volume up 2%, and the market cap also guys up 1%. The project is led by the Wenzhou and Guangzhou offline teams, and the members own a number of entity companies on the spot, and investigation is possible, and it is the only project that there is publicly cited the combinations package is included, and it is also followed by definitions in Twitter to promote the project. So guys, this is the website. New generation DeFi POP mining mechanism, no burn, no limit, and no difference. So for the open and transparent, all the information was written in the smart contracts. The static earning is significant, dynamic, and extremely sticky. Marketing push, extremely hot project with great subsequent market, and finally joint venture. Each one of you is a shareholder of the Web3, which is good. For the mechanism is rising up. The daily constant output is 2,000 tokens, a small and limited amount of supply. Under the POP extreme deflation mechanism circumstance, it would become a token shortage by the needs growing up. The token of the Web3 will be rare and hard to earn. And the best part guys is there is only 10 million tokens at the max supply, which is good, and 4,829 addresses of this token so far. Also guys, I found that the smart contract is 100% automated, audited. Like you see guys, the source contract is verified, the ownership renounced, the creator not authorized the special permission, the 90% of the tokens locked, which is good. The creator wallet contains less than 5%, also this is good. And also guys, 99% of liquidity is burned or locked, which is also good and help the project to rise up. And finally guys, for the community, they have 15,000 followers on Twitter and 9,600 members on their Telegram. So that's it guys for the Web3 token for today. I wish you benefit. If so, please give this video a like. Also guys, don't forget to smash that red button below. Take care and see you later.